college in the year 1994. There have been a number of outstanding students that have graduated from GPRCP who have been placed and settled in reputed organizations across the globe, glorifying our institution. This success of the students has persuaded us to establish the Pharma Alumni Association in 2002. It has been a great success throughout the years, and we wish to bring similar assemblies in the near future. Moving on to the 12th Alumni Meet, I request our Principal, President of Pharma Alumni Association, to address the alumni members.
Yeah, hello. Very good morning to all those who are joined online for this alumni meet. And this day will be remembered for a long time as we are meeting on Republic Days. I think all of you have completed your Republic Day celebrations in your respective organizations. And today we are doing it online, and as all of you know that during these days all the meets are going on online because of COVID. I think we hope that we will have one more meeting in very near future offline, that we will meet in the college physically and have a very good interaction and good interaction with the staff, faculty, and you can have your remembrances. So during last 1 year, of course, the activity was slow even in the college also. For a few months even we were also closed. But now slowly we are regaining the momentum, and we are going to be to a certain extent offline, and most probably in the next coming month most of the activities will take place physically. And during this, I think we have completed 25 years of existence, and we have started the Silver Jubilee celebrations also. And by the time we are supposed to be to hold a very important and concluding functions, the lockdown was started, so we could not say close these Silver Jubilee celebrations in a grandeur manner. But however, even though it is slightly late, we will be planning sometime in the month of April to have a grandeur Silver Jubilee closing celebrations. I think mostly that time we all can meet physically. And you know, for every institution, the alumni is very important, and it is the alumni that signifies the achievements of the college. Though all your personal achievements, but we also will be proud that as you grow and you achieve your professional career, and that will be a plus point to any organization. The organization is also being rated based on the achievements and success profiles of the alumni. So we all know that this is the first private pharmacy college in Telangana region, which was started in 94-95 academic year, basically started in 95. So far, I think how many batches we have completed? 22 batches we have completed, and during these years, of course, whatever possible achievements we have made, we don't say that we have got very great achievements, but whatever the achievements that we have got during this period, we definitely say that in all these achievements, your contribution is also there. So because you have been there here at this college, and you have done good, and your achievements and our efforts into a kind of a reputed institution among the colleges. So with these few words now, another important thing that we have ahead of us in the next month is that we have applied for accreditation by NAC. So most of you know that these days the accreditation is being considered as the status for the college. So in a few years ahead, I think in another 2-3 years, all the institutions have to be accredited either by NAC or NBA. So in this background, with this vision, now we have applied for accreditation. And during last 1.5 years, all of us we have been struggling to fulfill all the required criteria for accreditation, and we have almost came to an end. This month, 22nd, next month, 22nd and 3rd, that is February 22nd and 23rd, the accreditation team visit is there here in the college. So 23rd, I think 23rd in the morning 9 to 10, there is a slot for alumni. So the alumni has got a very important weightage in the accreditation process. So on this occasion, I request you all that whoever it is convenient on that day, try to associate with us, and that day we request a few of you please come to the college, and the visit team, field team visit, field team members, they will interact with the alumni, and that will give a lot of say weightage for in the accreditation process, and our accreditation score will increase to a higher level. So with this, I think now we shall go ahead with the next agenda point, that is presentation. So I think you just we shall have a presentation what all happened during these few years. Prashanti will present you.
Thank you, sir. So,
is it audible or?
yes, is it audible?
Please respond, a few of you. How many of you it is audible or?
It's perfect.
Yes,
Sir, it's
it is
audible.
sir.
Yes,
Sir, it's perfect.
Okay,
yes, sir, we can hear.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Yeah, it's all clear.
Yes, moving on to the other part of the program, we have the alumni report and minutes of the last meeting. So in the last meeting, it was held in 2019 in March, on March 16, and the chief, that is Krishna Chaitanya, one of the alumni member, secretary, he was the chief guest, and also we had two members, Mr. Srinivas Vempati and Mrs. Sandra Jacob. And in the last meeting, we had the interaction with the students, and also there was presentation of the college events and the activities of the members. Now I just give some glimpses of the alumni, the achievements. So I welcome you all to the 12th alumni meet, the general body meeting. Yes, the Pharma Alumni Association, it has been formed and registered in 2002 with the office at G. Friday College of Pharmacy, and the second alumnus meeting was held on 26 January in 2005.
Oh, that
Later
was
on.
also 26 January. So
Yes, sir.
it's this time.
And the third was in 8 January 2006, and thereon we had the alumni meets. And these are some of the photographs of the alumni meet in 2013, wherein major of the alumni members have attended. And then there was an executive council body meeting which was held in 2017. And in between there were some more meetings which were held. And in 2018, the alumni meet. Then in 2019, recently, on 16th March. In 2020, due to the COVID situation, we couldn't conduct the alumni meet. And now we are going on with it. As a part of this, in the Alumni Association, the guest lectures by the alumni members were decided. So every year, one of the alumni members was giving the guest lectures. And here are a few glimpses of that. In 2015, we had Dr. Krishna Chimalkonda, scientist in US FDA. He has given a guest lecture to the students. Then in 2017, we had Vamsi Krishna Kodali. He has given a guest lecture on pharmacovigilance. Then in 2018, we had an MPharm alumni member, Mr. Kishore Chittimalli. He has given a guest lecture to the students. And in 2018, we had the guest lecture by Dr. Sujit Ramachandra. Then in 2020, as a part of the COVID situation, we conducted the EFDP program in which Dr. Santosh Kumar Nalla was one of the speaker. Then moving on to the other activities extended by the alumni members, we have the campus placements where the alumni members of the first batch, Dr. Rajshekhar and Mrs. Nilima, they were as a part of the GVK Biosciences, they have extended the campus placements to the college students. And then they were part of the Setara software, where again they extended the campus placements to our students. And the alumni members were also a part of the orientation program, which were being conducted in the college every year with the inception of, with the starting of the PharmD and BPharm students, the first year course. So in 2018, we had Dr. Rajsekhar and Nilima as our chief guests. And in 2019, we had Mr. Rajesh and Loknatham as the members as the chief guest. And in 2020, it was an online program where we had Mrs. Krishna Chaitanya as a part of our chief guest, that is a guest of honor for the orientation program. Then the other activity by the alumni is we have the Alumni Association has decided to give a prize to the BPharm topper, wherein the BPharm second year topper is being awarded the prize money. So from 2013 onwards, this was taken, and the prize holders, Ms. Ramya Krishna in 2013, Ms. Mukunda in 2014, Ms. Vishnupriya in 2015, Ms. Amulya in 2016, Ms. Maimuna Fatima in 2017, Ms. Aisha Rahman in 2018, and Ms. Shreya in 2019 were the prize holders. 1 minute.
Yeah, these, I think what happened is we have been giving class topper awards BPharm first year, second year, and fourth year. I think there was a suggestion by our alumni members that one more topper award shall be sponsored by the Alumni Association. So for BPharm second year, the Alumni Association sponsored the BPharm second year topper. So from 2013 onwards, we have been giving these topper awards during the college day event. So I think these are the names who got the students who got this Alumni Association sponsored topper award. Other for first year there was an award by one parent, and the third year award was that is sponsored by our governing council member, Mr. Dr. C. Gopal Krishnamurthy, who was the former director drugs controller. And the fourth year we have been giving the gold medal for all the 4 years together. Fourth year, whoever comes the topper of the total 4 years, so that is being given as a gold medal. So second year was not there, so this was sponsored by the Alumni Association.
And the next, we have the contributions by the Alumni Association members. And there was a situation in 2018 where we had one of a lab assistant expand, and the alumni has come forward in contributing an amount of 3,81,000. And other than that, there were some more contributions by different alumni members. And this is the Pharma Alumni Association, the committee members. President is Dr. Mabi Madhareddy sir. Then Vice President, Mr. P. Praveen. Secretary, Dr. D. Prashanti. And Joint Treasurer, Mr. Sheikh Nasir Pasha. Joint Secretary, Mr. P. Krishna Chaitanya. The executive members, Mr. P. Ravikumar, Mr. K. Vamsi Krishna, Mrs. M. Vijay Lakshmi, Mr. K. Naveen, and Mr. P. Hari Krishna. And a few glimpses of the Pharma Alumni Association, wherein there was taken in US photographs with some of the Pharma Alumni Association. thank you all of you. And moving on to the next part of the program, which all of you are waiting. Now we have introduction by the alumni members. So I request the alumni members to unmute and talk, giving the description of which batch, that is pass out of which year you are. And you can speak where we have all the faculty members. We have been gathered over here. So you can speak to all of us. We'll be able to hear you all.
I think we are all being seen on the screen. Is it right?
Yes, yes, sir. We are able to see.
Yeah, while introducing, we would like to hear your achievements and significant achievements and your contributions also. So that will be a pleasure to us.
Sure, sir. So, Prashanti madam, may I know whom shall we begin with?
You can start
There is
with.
no restriction. Anybody can start. I think you can start.
Oh, thank you. So, hope everyone is able to see me.
Yeah, we are.
Thank you, sir. Yes, yeah. Sir, as you said, to talk about achievements, I would always talk on that first achievement is very always happy and excited to give my maximum involvement and participation with G. Pullareddy College of Pharmacy, Mehdipatnam. So every year, more the effective participation and the immense support we get from you and all the faculty members of Pullareddy College, it is nothing less than achievement. And apart from it, I really congratulate uh, every other alumni member of Pullareddy College who are doing immensely great across the globe, across our country. And just wanted to say this, in recent times when I met a couple of people, I could not recollect their names, but they were the Pullareddy alumni. It has given me a immense pride because of the stature and the position they were holding in those organization. So it's really nice, when I recollect passing out 2008 pass out. So 2004 to 2008 pass out, being that batch pass out, and most of my friends, my seniors who were settled in various organizations, and always it really helps, with those referrals and all that. So very proud to be part of this Pullareddy, and also very proud to be the joint secretary of the Alumni Association. And we are also looking forward to contribute more and more. As Dr. Madhav Reddy Garu said, like next month we have an accreditation council which will be visiting our campus. So we expect like most of the alumni members should be there to support it. And it is a high time and a right time where our presence is really mandatory, where our presence will make a lot of difference to such accreditations and to support our own college. Apart from it, I would not take much time. Just to update, to let all the alumni members know, I'm a motivational speaker. So right now, I do my programs, management and allied programs with organizations like Hetero Drugs, Arbindo, and I'm also doing with police departments, government institutes, hospitals like Kamneni Care Hospitals, GVK EMRI, so paramedical forces, doctors, police. So I do that, and alongside, I have launched a executive MBA online program through our institute called IBMR. We are there in Delhi, Ahmedabad, Hubli, Bangalore, and I'm one of the board director with them. So if any sort of management programs, I could be supportive to any of our alumni members or to college, most welcome. And very soon, post the COVID, when we have the normal offline classes, like I would love to come down and do a good session for our final year students' careers and all that. And thank you. No, I think let me not take more time. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam, and to all the members who are there today. So thank you.
one small this thing I will add a little about Krishna Chaitanya is available in Hyderabad to us almost 24/7, and he is very enthusiastic, and he will be ready to extend any kind of help whenever we make a call to him. And on most of the occasions, and he will volunteer to participate on these occasions, and he will identify us good people as resource persons and guests for the seminars, conferences, and other occasions. Krishna Chaitanya, I thank you for your ready help.
Many thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank
Any
you,
other?
sir. It was.
Yeah, happy Republic Day and very good morning to all. My name is G. Sai Rajesh. I did my M.Pharm from Pullareddy College of Pharmacy from 2004 and 6, and then I worked there as a faculty member from 2007 until 2012. And in 2013, I got posted as a government polytechnic lecturer in Tirupati. Again, a very good morning to all my teachers, colleagues, and all the alumni members. I'm very happy to be a part of this college. I stay in Tirupati, so whenever I get a chance, I do visit the college whenever I come to Hyderabad. For me, Pullareddy is a kind of a part of family. I'm not exaggerating it. It is a fact. I know most of the faculty members because I studied there, I worked there, and still I carry the principles which I acquired from G. Pullareddy College of Pharmacy. Especially Madhav Reddy sir used to motivate us very much. I still remember the days in my M.Pharm during evening times. He used to come have a chat with us and what to do in career and all kind of stuff. And for all the alumni members, the reason why I got the job is because of the motivation I get it from Pullareddy College of Pharmacy. And this is it. Because I'm staying away from the Hyderabad, whenever I get to Hyderabad, then only I could meet the people, and I was not actively participating in alumni programs. But I'll make sure in the next month, whenever that accreditation program is there, I'll make sure I'll be there in the college. So thank you once again. This is what I could say. And the last but not the least, even my wife is also from Pullareddy College of Pharmacy. She could not attend the meeting now because of some family constraints. Ours is a Pullareddy family, me and my wife and the college. So I'm very proud to get my M.Pharm degree from that college. I learned a lot of things in my life from the college. Once again, I thank Madhav Reddy sir for being a motivator for my life, not for the period of M.Pharm. He was every time, always he was there. Whenever I feel like talking with him, I call him and talk with him. Not only with him, all the time I was in touch with most of the colleagues, and definitely from now onwards, I will try to make my share in this alumni association. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you all my teachers.
One small add up to Sai Rajesh.
Sir.
Rajesh, of course, he did M.Pharm from this college, and Trinayani did B.Pharm from this college. And as Trinayani M.Pharm, sorry, Trinayani also did M.Pharm from this college. And as Sai Rajesh was telling that his affiliation with this college and affection, I say that though is Krishna Chaitanya is staying physically here in Hyderabad, and Sai Rajesh is in Tirupati, but Sai Rajesh, part of mind and heart, will be here all the time.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you for that. Okay.
Yes, thank you, Raj. Any other alumni member, you can speak. You can unmute yourself and speak.
In fact, Trinayani's project was with me only. M.Pharm project.
Pharmacy, sir. Part time work చేసింది కదా సార్ 10
Yeah, please, other members. Are we audible, other members?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everything is audible.
Yeah. Please let other members please tell us where are you, what are you doing, and let us know and feel happy about you.
Hello, Prashanti, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. You're audible. Yes.
Hello?
Yes, yes,
yes,
you're
you are
audible, sir.
audible.
You can
Please go
speak.
ahead.
Good morning to all. Good morning to respected sir, Madhav Reddy sir, and all the other teachers who have taught me. I am V. Madhusudan. I was passed out on 2003 B.Pharm. So after that, I through GATE, I scored around 99 percentiles in the GATE. Then I got a M.Pharm pharmaceutics seat in Nagpur University campus. Then after completing my M.Pharm, I joined Ranbaxy, where I worked for 5 years. Then I in formulation research and development. Then I came back to iGent Hyderabad, where I worked for 6 years in formulation research and development. And after that, right now I am working as a senior manager in Granules India Limited in formulation research and development. And when I was in Ranbaxy, I had three patents. A patent on olmesartan midoxamil tablets and metformin and voglibose tablet. Two patents on metformin and voglibose tablets. If you Google my name, you can see the patents also. And uh, thank you very much for conducting this alumni meet, and I'm very happy to see you all. But I keep getting information about this alumni meet, and I keep inquiring about all our teachers. Some trainees were also there when I was working. They come from Polarity College and our own college, and I have interviewed them, and I have selected them also. So I'm very happy to see you all. That's all about me, and I want to show you one photograph. This is our batch photograph, 2003 batch photograph. If you can see,
You can just put
can
it
you
in
see?
the camera.
Not able to show it yet. Ah, yeah, yeah. Now
Yes,
it's
now we can see it. Little down,
Our
little down.
batch photograph during our annual day celebrations.
yeah, very nice.
And this is Madhav Reddy sir giving me the some token of gift where I got in fourth year first semester I got a GATE score.
Okay, okay. Very nice, very
You can
nice.
keep it.
This is where I got a GATE 99 percentile score where Subbareddy garu is giving me some check token of check.
Polarity gap is also there.
There behind that.
Keep it little down, no? Madhusudan, can you get a little down, down? Ah,
Right,
yes.
right.
Now it is.
Yeah, very nice. Thank you, thank you. It is great that you have, kept all those photos and we are able to recollect the old days.
I want to say one thing that whatever we have learned in the B.Pharm Polarity College, our college, so that was a very helpful, and that was a very systematic education in B Pharmacy. After going out of B Pharmacy, everything is that you have to learn by yourself. You have to take initiative. You have to do everything. But in Polarity College, it was like every support was there, and teachers helped us a lot, and lot of learning was there. And even in campus, university campus also, university institutes also, such kind of learning was not there. And I'm very happy I have graduated from Polarity College of Pharmacy. Thanks to all my teachers.
Yeah, Madhusudan, now you are in Gland.
I am
Gland
India Limited.
I think my request now is that try to be with us on this our NAT visit. Please take special permission. We will inform you the correct time. Date is 23rd February. Time I will inform you specially. But exactly whether it is morning 9 to 10 or the team will change, that 2-3 days before we will come to know.
Yeah, sir, I will try to come, but I cannot assure you since it is a working day.
Yeah,
So
okay.
yeah, I'll try, but I cannot assure you, sir.
Yeah, we will decide 3 days before. What the possibility if you can make it out or not.
So,
Will it be And for all the alumni, just a request, we have kept one Google form in the website and request you to update your working and other details, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. After this,
Just now, because after a long time we have come to know about Madhusudan, right? I think earlier meetings you were not there.
Yeah. Actually, I was for as soon as I completed B Farm, almost for 7, 8 years, I was in North India.
Yeah.
So I lost touch to many people.
Yeah, now in Hyderabad, and now you have to help us in the form of resource person or for any seminar or guest lecture or any kind of other things. And
Yes, sir.
when possible, we will try to invite you physically as per your convenience.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
yes, sir. The next part of the program is wherein we'll explain about the alumni update form, which we have already uploaded in the website. I'll show it in the meeting itself. We are just waiting for all the alumni members to introduce themselves. After their introduction, I'll show you the update form, the Google form, where you can just update your details, the present working status, and also in which organization. All these details you can update in that. As it
Yeah.
is a part of the alumni directory. We have collected it in the WhatsApp group, but we couldn't have all the contacts. So because of that, we have created this alumni form also, a Google form. After the introduction of the alumni members, I will update it.
Yes.
Thank you, Madhusudan.
Yeah. Yeah.
Any other alumni member, you can also join. Any other alumni member?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, any other alumni member, you can introduce
Please,
yourself.
just speak a few words.
Good morning, sir. Am I audible to you?
Yes, you are audible.
Respected principal, sir, and my teachers, everyone, alumni members, good morning to one and all. Happy Republic Day to one and all.
Good,
Hello.
good. Rajesh, go ahead. We are seeing you and listening you.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, first of all, I would like to thank my mentor, my guide, Dr. Sama Venkatesh, sir, and our principal, sir, Madhav Reddy, sir, and all the faculty members of G. Pulladi College of Pharmacy. The reason is now I am working as a research officer in research officer pharmacognosy in Ministry of Oils. Happened just because of my guide Dr. Sama Venkatesh sir and G. Pulladi College of Pharmacy. Without this, I may not come to this place. That's why I am always thankful to my guide Dr. Sama Venkatesh sir and G. Pulladi College of Pharmacy. And at this time, I would like to share few things, if time permits. Sir, may I take more than 5 to 10 minutes?
Yes, you can go ahead. You're not audible, Rajesh.
Have you muted?
Hello.
Yes, okay, now we are audible.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So, uh, first thing I would like to say, thanks to Dr. Sama Venkatesh sir, followed by Madhav Reddy sir. The reason behind it, when first time I came to G. Pulladi College of Pharmacy after completion of my B Pharmacy in the year of 2007, I talked to, first time I met Dr. Madhav Reddy sir, and first talk is, sir, I selected as a M.Pharm pharmacognosy student, but I not at all interested to study this pharmacognosy subject in my PG subject. So I would like to take suggestion from you. So like that, I started uh, conversation with Madhav Reddy sir. Then sir told that don't think about the which subject studying. Just go with the how knowledge you are gaining from the college. Like that, Mother Reddy sir started or cooperated at the beginning stage. From then onwards, I started my career in G. Puladi College of Pharmacy in the year of 2007 to 2009. And all the lecturers, Niharika madam, Y. Padmavati madam, and rest of all the lecturers, they supported very well. And just because of them, we are here. And the principles and values and morals, what I learned from them, they we are trying to continue in our uh, regular life also. I am very thankful to you and all the faculty members of G. Pilladi College of Pharmacy. And I am very thankful to participate in this event. And thank you to all alumni members. Thank you, one and all.
Dr. Rajesh, you have set the trend. Now one more candidate from here is the faculty. He is also soon going to join your department. Dr. Linkesh.
Yes, sir. Recently, I heard, sir.
So it's good thing, but we are losing good candidates from here. But of course, you are making a very good career, and in your positions also, you may help us.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Good.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Rajesh.
You
Any other alumni member, you can unmute yourself and speak.
Hello.
Yes.
Good morning, sirs and ma'am. Happy Republic Day to you all. I'm feeling happy to see you all. I'm proud to say that I'm a student of Polarity College of Pharmacy. I did my M.Pharmacy Pharmacology department from 2012 to 14, and I have been in academics for 5 years. And now, present, I'm doing my PhD in Manipal College of Pharmacy. I really feel this a great opportunity to thank my principal sir and my guide, Vidya sir, who constantly supported me to grow in my career. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, Ramadevi. Congratulations, and we wish you a bright career after your PhD.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Any other alumni member?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Amulya. I've done my B Pharm and M Pharm also in G. Pulla Reddy College of Pharmacy. I've passed out in 2017. I was in campus placements. I got a job in Indegene, so as a scientific writer, and I worked there for 2 years. And then I had to come back to Hyderabad. I would actually thank Lakshmi ma'am and Prashanti ma'am. They have pushed me a lot to write articles. Seeing my resume, just seeing the number of articles I've written, they've directly called me and they said they would take me and with a very small interview. So currently, I'm working as a senior scientific writer in Docs Valley. So I thank everyone, all lecturers for supporting us. It's G Polarity is like a family to me, and today attending this, I feel like I'm back to college. I would like to thank all of you.
Amulya, can you switch on video? We are not seeing you. If it is not possible, it's all right. And can you make a visit anytime and say you give some tips for the students to face the interview and other things? Even if it is online also, okay.
Yeah, sure. Actually, I still get calls from few juniors. They ask me if there's any job available. I keep talking to them.
Okay.
Uh,
Very
it's
nice.
really great to be still part of J. Pulla Reddy College of Pharmacy.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Amulya.
Thank you.
Any others?
Hi, probably I'll go next.
Yes, yes.
Uh, Sorry, can you see me? Hi, this is Harini. I've done my pharmacy from Pulareddy and I graduated in 2007. So I'm Basha's classmate. So that's why probably people can relate me to it now. Um, and I actually I'm quite happy to see some of the familiar names here. So hi to all my seniors and my classmates who are currently attending, and hello to all the lecturers. It has been a great experience studying in Pulareddy. Although I'm one of those few candidates who kind of diverged from pharma, but I think I've learned, made good friends, and had a great time studying in Pulareddy. So after pharmacy, I've started working and I've done my MBA from Singapore, and then I've again gone into strategy. Now again, I'm doing my master's in data science. I'm working as senior manager in Oracle. So anyone who wants to get in touch with me, I know, I mean, we're always in connect via social media, but yes, happy to talk always. And I would like to basically thank all the professors, all the lecturers who are currently here. It was really great learning from you guys. All right.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Harini.
Harini, where are you now? Where are you working?
I am in Singapore.
Singapore. Oh,
yes.
So far we know only our alumni are in US. Now we are very glad that you are in Singapore. I think some of us will make a visit to Singapore. Then you have to host us.
Obviously, sure. That would be my pleasure to host any of the Pulareddy people.
Very nice. Very good.
All right.
Thank you.
Hi guys. This is Praveen. Good morning to all lecturers and alumni members. Myself Praveen. I have studied my Bachelor of Pharmacy from Pulareddy College of Pharmacy. I'm from the batch of 2003 and 7. After pass out of college, I was not in touch with the college, but I used to get regular updates from the college because we are having a colleague, one of the present lecturer, Mr. Nasib Basha. He is my batch member, and we used to get a regular update from him. And he is the connector between college and for us, I can say. Even we're having a proper Pulareddy College of group WhatsApp group in with all the batch members. So we are all in touch with everybody. And after my B Pharmacy, I've got a campus placement in Glaxo as a medical representative. I worked there for 3 months, and then I moved to masters in Manipal University in specialization of regulatory affairs. So after that, from 2010 to 2015, I worked 5 years in India for pharmaceuticals and medical device in consulting companies like Accenture and Freyr. And after that, in 2016, I moved to UAE. Currently, I'm based in Dubai. Uh, Currently, I'm working in medical device industry, working as a quality and regulatory expert. So maybe lecturers know me by face, but not my name because I was not that much active during the college times. Maybe it is, I can say, like it was a big shy because I was like till 12th standard I was studying in Telugu medium, and after that it's first time I was studying in English medium, and it was a bit kind of a shy. So that make me to not to mingle with lectures, but I do remember each and every day of the college, and it's a very good time for me, 2003 to 7, and he taught me many lessons, and because of those lessons and those experience, right now I'm in this place, and I'm very thankful to the complete Pulareddy College staff and alumni members. Thank you very much.
Praveen, thank you for joining this meeting. And now I have come to know a very important thing about you, that you are working in regulatory affairs. So now, a few months later, we will be behind you.
Definitely, sir. No issues.
Service, we are going to start the pharmaceutical regulatory affairs and pharmacy course.
Sure, definitely.
Person to give us suggestions and some material and other resource inputs.
Sure, definitely.
We will be in contact with you.
Definitely, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Sunil. I have finished my bachelor's in pharmacy from 2011 to 2015. Uh, First of all, happy Republic Day to all my professors who had helped me in like getting into a bright career. So after finishing my pharmacy, I worked in pharmacovigilance for 3 years. So later, I got interested to just do my higher studies, and I came to US, and I have finished my master's in health informatics. Currently have joined as a clinical data analyst in a Jefferson Health Plan based in Ohio, USA. So I thank all my teachers. Uh, yeah.
So
Sorry.
Where are you now?
I'm in USA.
Okay. What time is it now?
It's 1:20 a.m. 1:20 a.m.
Oh, very thankful to you to wake up in the midnight and be with us. I think in the next online meeting we will consider this. We will say we will fix a time which is convenient for both us and you.
Yeah, that would be great. This is I mean, I didn't expect this because of COVID. We got this opportunity to speak with all of you. Uh, I got to know about alumni meeting last 2 years ago, but I was unable to join that.
Which place you are now?
Ohio.
Ohio. So health informatics.
Yeah, health informatics. Yeah.
Which company?
I work for Jefferson Health Plan.
Okay. Jefferson Health Plan.
Yeah.
Oh. What do you suggest? A few students are, of course, every year they are planning to come there. And in MS, which is the best one? And health informatics is there, regulatory affairs is there, and a few others. From the job point of view, health informatics, or there is even pharmacy administration specialization is there. How is
I would say I was interested in IT and also healthcare, so I have chosen this health informatics profession. I would say if any person who is interested in working in both the industries, health informatics is the best option to go with. And if person is more aligned to the pharmacy and industry, he may choose regulatory or pharmaceutical analysis. So yeah.
Good. Very
And I have a good memory with G. Polity College of Pharmacy. We have represented our college on 2015 IPC, 66th IPC with I was a part of member of that. We have received a runner-up prize from the Minister of Minister KTR.
Prize, right. Oh, very good. Congratulations. Very good. Yes, we remember that is a very good achievement in reform days, right? Very nice.
We also received award money from the college even because we won that trophy. So even we got some appreciation from college.
Right. Good. Very good.
Yep.
And particularly thank you to wake up till this midnight and talk to us.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you all. Thank you all. Yep. Bye.
Yes. Thank you. Next, any other alumni?
Hello everyone.
Yes, sir. You can put your video on and speak.
Video on is your option. If you are in something.
Yes, you're audible. You can speak.
Hi everyone. I'm Kishore Chittimalli.
Oh, Kishore.
Can you hear?
Yes, we can.
Are you saying
Sir, I cannot hear you, sir.
Is it audible now?
Yeah, I can hear you, ma'am.
Okay, you go ahead.
Hello everyone. I'm Kishore. I completed my master's in pharmaceutical sciences in Jupiter College of Pharmacy. Of course. So I was there from 2011 to 2013. Then I joined Suvan Life Sciences, formulation R&D. I worked there for 3 years. Then I moved to Pfizer, where I did formulation research and development. I was there with Pfizer for 2 years. Then I came back to Hyderabad, Aurobindo Pharma. I worked there for 1 year. So overall, my formulation research and development tenure is 6 years. And after that, I moved to North Dakota State University. I'm pursuing my PhD over here in pharmacology. So whatever steps which I have taken, have been constantly guided by our principal sir, Dr. Madhav Reddy, and also our HOD, Dr. Lakshmi. So I'm so much thankful to all of you. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much.
Kishore, what is your time now? For you also.
12:30, sir.
12:30. Okay. Thank you to wake up till this time and to talk to us. And definitely next time we will keep in mind this. Thank you.
No.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Kishore.
Hello.
No, thank you.
Hello.
Yes,
Prashanti, can you hear me?
yes, sir. We can hear you. You can speak.
So, I start with my conversation. I'm Ram Prasad. Don't confuse with the name that is appearing on the chat box. Oh, that is my boy's name. Okay, so I'm Ram Prasad Pandiri. I'm from 2006 batch. I'm sure that many of the faculty don't recognize me because I was not the active student at all. So it's been I guess we crossed 15, more than 15 years now. We have a good connect with the batch that we are in. So I'm working as a manager in GSK, GlaxoSmithKline Pharmaceuticals, and in the regulatory affairs field. So to be honest, share with the really got emotional to see you all, especially the principal sir. So yeah, the one thing what I learned from the college is that it's a discipline. I really lagging in that, but yeah, this was the good college. And when I was doing my education with Polarity College, this was the impression at that time that if you want to visit a foreign or if you want to switch to abroad, you should appear in this college. That was the impression we had. But I never traveled to. I mean, in career perspective, I'm in India. It's been 13 years in the industry, in the pharmaceutical industry, and we are always connect each other. We have a good group. It's good to see you all, and I wish you all the best. And happy to see you all.
Thank you, Ram Prasad. Thank you. And whenever you happen to be in Hyderabad, please visit us.
Sure, sir. It is really good to hear words from you.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice to see you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hi, good evening.
Yes, good evening. You can go ahead. We are able to hear you.
Hi, good morning, everyone, and good evening to everybody in the rest of the world. I'm Sharad Kuripalli, and I did my bachelor's in pharmacy in 2004. I graduated, and then I moved to the US. Right now, I work as a senior director in regulatory affairs at Rising Pharmaceuticals. I did my master's in the US, passed out in 2007. Worked for a couple of brand companies, and right now in generics. I'm part of the leadership team in the Rising Pharmaceuticals as well. I did meet Jayanti Reddy when she was here in the US as well. But you know, during the college days, it was always different with respect to the way of studying, or whether you always have a couple of terror professors in the college. You always have, you know, fun days. You have always, all the other aspects, but you always have the memories established over there. So one thing I wanted to tell everybody is just always have good confidence in you. I'm not a, you know, GRE TOEFL crackers out there, but having that confidence in you, making sure that whatever you believe, you should always pursue, and make sure you do it right. So I would like to thank everyone for organizing this. And starting from now, I think I want to definitely connect a little bit more and give back to the college what I have learned and what I have achieved so far. So definitely next time when I visit, I will stop by and say hello to everyone, and be part of the alumni and actively engage myself. Thank you.
Thank you, Sharon. Thank you. I think I remember your name or something during those days. You are now in GSK.
I'm in Rising Pharmaceuticals now.
Okay, okay. Which division is it, regulatory?
Yeah, I head the regulatory affairs, quality assurance, and pharmacovigilance.
Oh, very nice, very nice, very great achievement. And you are also now very requirement to us. We also will be now and then calling you to give some suggestions, because we are starting regulatory affairs course.
Absolutely. I would love to be part of it.
Sometimes we may ask you to give some lectures or something, some resource material to our students.
Sure, definitely, Dr. Madhav Reddy. It's my pleasure. And the only thing that you might remember from me is always pulling into the office for something not good. But you know, those are all the days that we do fun stuff and everything. But jokes apart, we did learn a lot of lot of things that helped us go a long way. So
Yeah, yes. Good. Congratulations. You have got very good achievement and we are proud of you. And for you also, it is midnight, and again, I think we are sorry for selecting this time. Next time you will definitely get time.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Good morning.
Hi, can you hear me?
Good morning, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Hi.
We can hear you, Prashanti.
Yes. Hello, ma'am. Good morning, everybody. This is Prashanti Vannavada. I was in Polarity from 2011 to 2015. I passed out in 2015, and I took a 360-degree turn, and I just moved to IT. I did my master's in US, and then from past 4 years, I've been working in IT as a BI developer. And this is the first time I am in a alumni meeting. This is a little overwhelmed for me. So sorry if I just, didn't say hi to everybody.
Okay, is it possible? Can you just put on your video so they can identify you?
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. We are able to hear you. Where are you now?
I'm in Tennessee.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is all from my end.
Good. Yes, sir. Thank you. So nice of you being here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Any other members you can speak?
Hi.
Hi, this is Sipa Nutalapati.
Yes.
Can you hear me and see me?
Yes, yes, we can hear and see you. Go ahead.
Hi, so I'm Silpa Nutalapati. I was part of 2004 group B Pharmacy, and I'm so happy to see Dr. Madhu Reddy sir, Venkatesh sir. I think I've seen Venkatesh sir. I don't really see Padmavati ma'am, Jayanti ma'am. I don't know if they're still here, but hi fans. I don't know if you guys remember me, but it's been I mean, seeing you all is really so nice, and it is sort of bringing back all my college day memories. So after I passed out of B Pharmacy, I went to US to pursue my PhD. So I did that in the field of pharmacokinetics. After that, I've worked for pharmaceutical companies, and right now I'm working at AbbVie in the clinical pharmacology and pharmacometrics division. And yeah, so that's about it. So I'm super happy to see you all. And hi, Sharat. I do recognize some of my juniors, Krishna Veni, and yeah, a couple of them, but not all. But yeah.
Hi.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
You are in which place?
Oh, I am in Chicago.
Chicago. Oh, very nice, very nice. Maybe sometime if I come over there, I visit Chicago. Still, how many are there in Chicago? You are.
Oh, Mrudulata is sorry. You're asking how many of us are here?
From our college. You.
I think that the only other person here is Mrudulata. If you, she was a classmate of mine also.
Yeah. Very nice, very nice. 2004 batch. Okay, good. Thank you. Again, it is midnight for you.
Yeah, it'll be great if we have more of virtual things, so we are able to join, because I think it's been years since I traveled to India, and I don't know how soon we can do that with the COVID and pandemic. So
Thank you for joining.
thank you.
Hi, can you hear me now?
Hi. Yes, we can hear you. You can proceed.
Hello.
We can hear you. You can go ahead.
Okay. Hi. Hello, everyone. And then I saw the message from Basha sir, so I came in.
Yes.
I am one of the recent graduated in 2014 and 18 batch. You guys hear me?
Yes, we can see you. We can hear you.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Fine. We are here. What are you doing
Thank you.
now?
It's quite late over here. I'm here in Chicago and doing my master's in health informatics as well.
Informatics, very nice, very nice.
Yes.
Good, very good. And best wishes to your masters, and have a good success and get a good job.
Sure. Thank you.
Yes. Now your senior also has come online. He also has done informatics. You can be in contact with him. I think in a also we will make a directory of alumni. I think you can be in contact with each other. We will provide you the phone number and the email, so that those who are related, those who need some kind of help, you can mutually contact. That we are in the process.
Thank you for that.
Good, very good. Thank you.
Yes,
Hello everyone, this is Pramod.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. You can go ahead.
We are seeing you.
Hi. Hello everyone. Hello, Dr. Madhu Reddy garu. This is Pramod from 2003 batch. I graduated in 2003, so it's been almost 18 years.
I was there in US for 14 years actually. So I came back and working in Novartis from 2019 July 1st. So it's been almost 1.5 years that I moved back to India for good. I'm working in Novartis as associate director in hematology department of statistical programming. I pursued my master's in Eastern Michigan University, and then I worked for about 12 years in pharma industry there, PPD and other CROs. So I thought it's time to come back to India, so I came back. But I'll take definitely some time to meet you all there in the college soon.
Pramod, very nice of you, and you are in Hyderabad since 1.5 years. We are not knowing.
Yes, sir. Out of 1.5 year, 9 months and 10 months is all about Corona, so we didn't go out. So the other time I'm taking to settle down the kids and all. It's a big transition, so I'm working with the kids for the transition. It's very tough handling the kids after coming back to India. But yeah, now they're all settled. So I have time to meet you guys soon, whenever the college opens, or sometimes, yeah, we'll coordinate and we'll catch up. Thanks everyone for coordinating this alumni meet. This is my first one actually. I'm very happy and glad to see all of you.
You are very old student, but we are seeing you, feeling you a recent student. Very nice.
Okay,
Very
thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Pramod. Any others?
Hello, everybody. My name is Krishnaveni. I don't know how many of you remember me. Jayanti Reddy ma'am, Padmavati ma'am, Venkatesh sir, Lata ma'am. I don't know if Lata ma'am is still working there, but if I'm missing anybody, Neeraja ma'am, I think. Big hello to you all. Padmavati ma'am, I finished my, Madhav Reddy sir, I finished my doctorate degree in analytical chemistry, and I often think about you. You taught me analytical chemistry, so thank you very much. And thank you all for arranging this alumni meet. Feels so good to see you all. Hello, my seniors, Sharath, Shilpa, Madhu, Sudan, and who else? Pramod, my friends Gopi, and all my classmates who are on the call even at this time. This is odd hours, but I appreciate Dr. Madhav Reddy sir for um, telling us that next alumni meet will be at a better time. But we couldn't miss this meet for anybody or anything. Thank you all very much.
Thank you, Krishnaveni, to join the inconvenient time.
It's our pleasure, sir. Thank you.
Yes, where are you in which place?
I'm in Atlanta, and I work for a company called Lanza. I work as a senior scientist in analytical chemistry.
Analytical chemistry. Oh, very
Yeah.
great. Very great.
Thank you.
Very good, very good. We will try to visit you whenever we come there.
Oh, please. Yes, that will be nice.
Thank you.
Lastly, I want to say thanks to all the lab assistants. My journey in Pullareddy College would be incomplete without their support. Jagadish, Srinivas, Chari, and I don't remember all other names, but thank you very, very much.
Good, good. You are the one person who is giving importance to all. They are also part and parcel of the institution. Thank you.
Yes, they are. Thank you very much again. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Vani, you can go ahead.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Vani Vemula calling from Bangalore. I'm one of the very old students of GPRCP. I think I passed out in the year 2000. After completing my B Pharmacy, I have done my MTech in biotechnology. Later, I have done my PhD also in biotechnology. Currently, I'm working as assistant professor in Ramaya College of Arts, Science and Commerce. I continue to do my research in drug discovery. It's very nice to see all of you, Professor Madhav Reddy, Venkatesh sir, Padmavati ma'am, Jayanti Reddy ma'am. Big thanks to all of you. It was a great time for me while studying in GPRCP. Of course, I didn't get chance to meet any of you after leaving the college. This is a great opportunity for me to join you all in this online meeting.
Hello, Dr. Vani. I think you are in Bangalore. You should have visited at least once the Hyderabad college.
Yes, sir. Definitely. Definitely, I will make it next time.
Even if I were knowing that you are in Ramaya, I would have visited you in Bangalore.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
The last few years, I used to come to Bangalore for examination or inspection like that. I think for this Ramaya, I didn't come as inspection. For many other colleges, I went there, but I was not knowing.
Oh, is it, sir? Okay. So next time. Yeah, next time, please.
Colleges.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Next time.
Madhavan is there still?
Yeah, he is there in pharmacy, sir, as a dean. Now the pharmacy is part of University of Applied Sciences.
Okay, okay, acha, okay, right.
Yeah.
Very
yeah, he
nice.
is there as.
Very nice.
He is there as dean of pharmacy. Yeah.
Pharmacy, yeah, very good. So it is very good news to us that you are there in academics and doing nice in a good university.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. And it's a great honor to talk to you all after a very long time, probably 2 decades.
I will visit Ramaya for you when I come to Bangalore.
Sure, sir. That will be like a great honor. Definitely. Please welcome. And next time when I happen to come to Hyderabad, definitely I'll meet you without any taking chance.
Okay. Very good, Vani. Very good. Thank you.
And one more thing I just want to mention. I'm closely associated with Indian Institute of Science.
Such a great thing. Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, because husband works for IASC, so there is a close association. We live in IASC campus, so any coordination, anything required from IASC also, you can be in touch with me.
Okay, for any research work, I think we will call you.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Any some kind of special experimental technique or some data or something, I think we will request your help.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Vani. It was so nice of hearing to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any others?
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. You can go on.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Naveen. Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all my lecturers. I am from 2006-2010 batch. Madhav Reddy, sir, I'm Aparna's classmate.
One of the executive members.
Yeah, our executive. I think you have to be frequently in contact with us. Good. Go ahead.
Yeah, from 2006 to 2010 batch, sir. I did my pharmacy in JNTU campus, Hyderabad. So currently, from 2002, I'm working from AMRI, Hyderabad. It is in Turkapalli. It's a CRO company. I'm a research scientist. Talking about achievements, I was working with AMRI and together with Stanford University, we are working on a drug called Biostatin 1. Recently, it was about to release into the market. It is a new drug to treat oncology patients. So this analytical chemistry, I learned a lot from Padmavati madam. Even Sai Rajesh sir has taught us a lot regarding biochemistry and all. Still, I remember all the chemistry part just because of Rajesh sir. And Jayanti madam, she also, I still remember that basic chemistry, biochemistry part and all. I don't know, like Lata madam still she is working in our company, like in our college or not. But I remember a funny part. In my second year, when I went to a library and I was asking for a blue covered book we need. So she was back of us and she scolded us a lot that we don't even know the name of the book, and we just remember the books by color. So still, if I see any book, I definitely had a habit of reading the other name also. So there were. Thank you everyone, sir, for making this alumni every year for sure. And many of our classmates who are currently in US are not attending now, but they requested us to change the timings and all. But however, it may not be possible this time. Thank you all, sir, once again.
Thank you, Naveen. Thank you. We are proud of you to be part of drug discovery.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Any others? Yes, any others you can speak. Shalini, you can unmute.
Hi, ma'am. This is Raju.
Yes.
Uh,
You're able to hear you. You can go ahead.
yeah. So I'm working with Novartis Hyderabad recently. So I haven't moved to Hyderabad yet. I'm from the 2012-2014 batch, pharmacology. Quite nice to see everyone here. And I'm working as a senior analyst in competitive intelligence team in Novartis. So it's quite good that whatever I've learned with Veerish sir guidance throughout the years has been very helpful. And I'm in the conference monitoring team. So basically, I attend conferences and cover data from different conferences. So the whole experience of going to different quizzes and conferences in college days is coming to use in my work. And very nice to see everyone here after so long.
Very good, very good. You are in Novartis and Hyderabad.
Yes, sir. I haven't moved to Hyderabad yet. I'm working from Vizag.
Okay. Yeah, but make a visit once when you come to Hyderabad.
Yes, sir. Definitely. Looking forward to meet you all in person.
Right. Very good. Very good. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Any others? Alumni member, you can
Hello,
go ahead.
Prashanti ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Hello.
yes. Hello, principal sir, all the sirs and ma'ams. I'm very happy. I'm glad to meet you here like this. I really thank Basha sir for sending me the invitation. And so I was into the pharmaceutics batch in 2014 batch. And with the guidance of Lakshmi ma'am, I have done my project. And I was placed into Global Data Research Center through college itself. I'm really indebted for that. Always, it was a pleasure working there. And then I've moved to Cognizant Technology Solutions as a research analyst. And then, and now I'm into Excelon Knowledge Solutions and in the healthcare department itself, clinical trials database. So I'm really happy being a part of Polarity College, where I've pursued my M Pharmacy and gained a lot of knowledge through this college. And thank you. I'm thankful for each and every staff of Polarity College who were really helpful all through the project. Prashanti ma'am, Lata ma'am, Basha sir, Sama Venkatesh sir for providing the placements and all. I'm really thankful to each and every one of you. Glad to meet you here and all the best. Stay safe.
Where are you working now?
I'm in Excelra, sir. Excelra Knowledge Solutions for clinical trials.
Right.
Yeah.
That is also our senior alumni company only. Rajshekhar and Nirima are there.
Okay, sir. Okay.
No,
Good to
I
know
think
that.
no, not Excelra. That is Sertab. I think this
Oh,
Excelra,
okay.
what?
Sir?
It is in Hyderabad, Excelra?
Yes, sir. It is in Hyderabad.
Okay, very nice, very
Healthcare
nice.
domain. It's a part of GPK Bioscience.
Yeah, it is a part of, it is a sister concern of GVK. Yeah, okay,
Yes.
right.
Yeah.
And that's good.
Thank you all. Stay safe and all the best.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Shalini.
Yeah.
Any other alumni member? Yes, you can go ahead, Gopichand.
Hello, everyone. My name is Gopichand Jasti, and I was there at GPRCP from 2002 to 2006. Bachelor's, I joined about 2 months after I came to. I started as a technician on the map. I did my working. Now I'm working as an associate director. Manage contract manufacturing operations, Europe, China, and Australia.
Yes, Gopichand, you've been unmuted.
Yeah, I'm not able to see you guys for some reason. Maybe I'm having an issue.
Okay, you are audible. You can go ahead.
We are hearing you. Your voice is clear. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, so it's been a while since I've met Jayanti ma'am or Padmavati ma'am. I think it was when I came to the college in 2011 to hand out my wedding invitation. And it's been a while since I have visited India as well. And it's a great thing that you all set this up, because otherwise it would have been very difficult for all of us to make it to the alumni meet.
Yes, sir. Where are you working now, and what is your position?
I'm working for Bristol Myers Squibb in New Jersey, and I'm working as associate director in parenteral manufacturing operations.
Okay, thank you. Yes, any other alumni member?
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Srivalli from.
Yes.
Am I
Yes,
audible? Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I am Srivalli from 2006 to 2010 batch. It's so nice to see all the principals, Jayanti ma'am and Padmavati ma'am. So nice to see all of you. And my batchmate Archana Reddy is working there. So nice to see her also. Hi, Archana. And hi, Basha sir. Hope you're doing fine. After my BPharm, I've joined into Aurobindo Pharma in regulatory affairs. From there, I was working there till almost 9 years. Then I recently moved to Mylan company. I'm in regulatory affairs. So nice to see all of you. It's a very good pleasure seeing all of you, and hope you all be safe and happy. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Once or twice we will invite you to the college.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Good, you will be a good resource person to us.
Sure, sir. Pleasure.
Thank you, Srivalli.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next, any other member, you can go on.
Sir, this is Ramesh. Hi, Prashanti.
Hi. You can go ahead, you're audible.
Yeah. Hi, Madam Jayanti Madam and Padmavati Madam. Yeah, I'm from 95 to 99 batch. I think I'm the senior most. Hello.
Yes, sir. Can you just put on your video so we can identify you?
Sorry, please excuse for
Okay,
this.
that's
I'm outside.
it. You can speak, no problem.
You can speak, no problem. Go ahead.
Yeah, after completion of my BPharm in 99, I have done my MPharm in analytical and worked for many companies like Ranbaxy, Arvindo, Zydus, Sandoz. Presently, I'm working with Viatris. It's Milan as deputy GM in analytical, formulation analytical.
Oh, very nice, very good, very great. Now, yeah, you are scientific. We are proud of you. And whenever time is there, please visit once.
Sure, sir. Whenever it is possible, I'll definitely come and meet you all.
Very, very nice of you. Thank you. You are first batch, I think. First or second? 95, there are 2 batches.
Second batch.
Yeah. Okay, very good. Nice of you.
Yeah, thank you all.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yes, any others you can join? You can go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, Ankit, you're audible. You can go ahead.
Hi, Prashanti madam. Hello, everyone.
Yes, hello. You can go ahead. We are hearing you.
Yeah. So once again, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Ankit Loya. I've completed my BPharm and MPharm from Polarity College of Pharmacy. So when I received this message, I was so excited to join this meeting, and it's very nice that after a long time and in this pandemic, this is the mode of communication. This is the mode we are all meeting. I feel so happy and so nice, and I hope everyone is safe at home and busy with their schedule. And currently, I would like to give a brief I'm working in a company. I was previously working with Excellera. Then I joined IQVIA, and currently I'm working in Parexel as a drug safety associate. So that's it from my end.
Yes, Ankit, it's good to hear you. Yes, sir. Thank you. Any other alumni member? Yes, sir. Any other alumni member you can join? You can introduce yourself. Any other alumni member? Yes, Shivani, you can go ahead.
Hi everyone. My name is Shivani and I graduated in the year of 2017. Pursued my master's in health informatics. Currently working as a senior data scientist for Norton Healthcare. Norton Healthcare is currently associated with distribution and administration of the COVID vaccine. Working as a senior SQL and BI developer as of now.
Shivani, where are you working now?
I'm working for Norton Healthcare. It is in Kentucky, United States.
Okay, very nice, very nice. So you are now taking part in COVID vaccine distribution?
Yes, we have administrated to Tier 1 patients, which are first frontline health workers. We will be starting administrating for Tier 2 starting next month.
Very great, very great. We are proud of you to be associated with this COVID. Very great of you. Thank you and do good, and it's a good service and it is a day service. Good, good. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Shivani. Any other alumni member? You can introduce yourself. There are many of them in the meeting, so you can introduce yourself. Unmute yourself and introduce yourself. Yes, any other alumni member, you can introduce yourself.
Hello, hi, namaste, sir, principal sir, Pallavi, Prashanti ma'am, and Padmavati ma'am, everyone. I'm so happy to be here. This is Supraja from 2013 to 2017 batch.
Yes. Yes, you can go
Like,
ahead. You're audible.
Happy Republic Day to everyone. Ma'am, sirs. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes,
yeah, Supraja, you are audible. You are very clearly audible. Go ahead.
Okay. My career is totally different from pharmacy because after pharmacy, like pharmacy have helped me to do my MSc in yoga. Yes, sir.
Your career is different from pharmacy. That is very interesting to us.
Thank you so much, sir. Like this has helped me to do my MSc in yoga in so that I could help to COVID patients to recover by teaching them in online and the pharmaceutical heads like CEOs and all. I'm happy to help them through yoga wellness. I work with Divis Laboratories, which is Gachboli. It's a wellness yoga.
Okay, very good, very good. We are very much interested. And see, it is not that everybody should work in pharmacy. See, you are working, and again, it is also a part of the health system.
Thank you so much.
It is not part of the health system also, it is good, something you are doing to the society. It's not mandatory that everybody should be in pharmacy.
Thank you so much, sir, for encouraging. And I'm planning for my own wellness center as soon as possible.
Oh, okay, it is very nice. And once you come to college and please be associate with our PharmD students, they will be very much interested to interact with you.
Oh, sure, sir. Thank you so much.
Send us your phone number and email ID, and our say the PharmD faculty will invite you.
I'll directly come to college, sir.
Okay.
Meanwhile.
Very nice. Not immediately.
Not immediately, sir. Next week.
Yeah. Very nice of you. Next week, not next week, students will be coming, I think in first week or little later that we will inform you.
Okay, sir.
Right now, students are not coming. We are conducting online classes only.
Okay, sir.
Most probably in February, first week or second week, some students may come offline, then they come to college, and that time we will inform.
Yeah, sir. I'll be contacted with sir or ma'am, and I'll come, sir, whenever it is open. I'll get Not only in this field, I'm into industry also, sir, like doing ads and promotions, all these.
Good, that is good, super. Yeah, it's good, very nice. Whatever talent we have to do something from that.
Yes, sir. I'm so happy that like I got many lessons from college, and even many sirs have encouraged me to go into other fields also like yoga and all I've discussed. And ma'ams are also like very helpful, like my subjects.
Subjects are over. Now you forget all those things. Now present is required.
No,
What
sir.
is
I've got.
subjects are over. That's gone. Now what are you doing? How pleasant you are? How happy you are? That's what we are interested.
Yes,
You are
sir.
happy. That is good to us. We are happy. Good.
Yeah. Me too, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, thank you, Supraja. Next, any other alumni member? Any other alumni member? You can unmute and talk.
Hello, everyone. Hello.
Yes, hello, you're audible. Yes, you are. Go ahead.
So very good afternoon, sir. I'm Tanuja, passed out from batch 2004 to 2008. I think you'll be knowing my name only through the campus interview of Eli Lilly because I was very average student when I was there.
We remember you well.
So it's so pleasure meeting you all, sir. It's very long. It's like 12 years or more than that we have met. And so presently I'm working with Zydus as a business manager, sir, handling a team of exclusive women. That's the first step of Eli Lilly from the campus interview of Polarity have now taken me to Zydus leading a team. So I'm very grateful to Polarity for giving me such a big career. I've started with Eli Lilly, then I worked with AstraZeneca, and now with Zydus, sir.
Good. You have made very good career in that field, and we wish you still you will come up and you will become one day you will become the head of the entire marketing division or business division.
Thank you so much, sir.
Where are you placed now?
In Hyderabad only, sir. I'm in Hyderabad only, sir.
Very good, very nice. Hyderabad, yeah. Good. Come once. Yes, whenever you are free.
Oh, sir.
Sir, she is 2008 pass out, sir. Krishna Chaitanya hai.
Yeah.
2000.
Tanuja, I remember her because in between she had come 2-3 times, I think. I remember.
Tanuja, hi, how are you?
Hello?
Yeah, Tanuja, hi, nice to hear from you.
Yeah. Hey, Chaitanya, hi.
Hi, very glad. I wanted to put a note. Really, many times Tanuja has specified this that her B Pharmacy placement has really given her a great career avenue, which was through this window of Polarity College. So many times told me this, and she was very thankful to the college, to the principal, and the faculty. So, Tanuja, see you once at the college.
Yeah, once this COVID problem gets over, we will have an offline meeting in the college.
And all thanks goes to our principal, sir, Jayanti ma'am, Padmavati ma'am, and our librarian, sir, and then all the lab assistants who've been always supportive and made us stand right now in this position.
Great. But Tanuja, it is really mandatory next month for the accreditation. Please make your visit, irrespective of the COVID. I request most of the active members who have been in a successful position doing great, please attend and come to the college next month.
Sure.
Yeah. I will post you the schedule, correct schedule, 3 days before. We will get the schedule 3 days before.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Tanuja.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you all.
Thank you. Okay, next, any other alumni member? Please introduce yourself. Again, we will be moving on to the next part of the program. There are many of them in the meeting. Unmute yourself and introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. You can go ahead. You're audible.
Good afternoon, all my lecturers and professors. This is Bharat. Hello.
Yes, hello, Bharat. You can go ahead.
My name is Bharat Nalimela, and I have completed my B Pharmacy 2016 batch. Currently, I'm working with Boringalingalam as a development. And campus placement, I have no notice, and I have worked now 2 years as a product specialist. Then I moved to Boringalingalam as a development manager. Currently, I'm working. So, on platform, I would like to thank you for all my lecturers for supporting my career.
Thank you,
Venkatesh, sir, I would like.
Are you working now?
Sir, I'm working in Boringalingalam, sir.
Okay. Where? Hyderabad?
Yes, sir, in Hyderabad.
Okay, very good, very nice. So sometimes visit us. Good, thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Next, any other member?
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Mukunda.
Yes. You can go ahead, Mukunda.
I have completed my graduation in Pullareddy and I've passed out in 2016. And I've completed my M-Pharmacy in Pilani from Pharmaceutics branch. And now I'm pursuing I'm working as formulation scientist in Dr. Reddy's Parentals. I would like to thank each and everybody of you for guiding us to BPharm. And I was not really interested in pharmacy, and it was my father's choice to join in BPharm. And because of Pullareddy, I've really got interest in pharmacy, and I'm really enjoying my career.
Mukunda, your father's choice has given a gift to you and it has become your choice.
Yes, sir. Like, he forced me to join in Pullareddy because Pullareddy is the topmost college and I was not really interested to attend the college even. But because of the lecturers there, I'm really interested now.
So now you are working in Dr. Reddy's.
Prashanti ma'am, Pasha sir, Ravi Kumar sir, each and everybody encouraged us very much. They used to tell us that missing MBBS seat is not a big deal. Like, pharmacy is also a very great career to pursue. I still remember Ravi Kumar sir's dialogue. He used to say that doctors are just actors and we are the directors behind the screen. So I'm really I remember each and every day I've studied in Pullareddy College.
Before doctors, whatever you do, those materials will go to doctor. So you are first person.
Yes, sir.
Patient. So whatever the
Yes.
evidence that you have, that is good luck to you only. You have to consider like that.
Yes, sir.
Doctor is secondary.
Thanks to each and everybody.
So good, Mukunda.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mukunda.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
you, ma'am.
Thank you. Next, any other alumni member?
Yeah, if no more members, I think shall we go to the next item and try to finish the meeting? It's going to be the lunch time in another 10 minutes. Okay. What is the next agenda, Prashanti?
Yes. Next we have with regard to the membership drive. So I'm sharing the screen of our college website. In this you have the update form. In this you have the website. I'm just opening this. 1 minute.
Sharing chat box also.
So I request all the alumni members to please go into the GPRCP website form in this website, and then in that you have this alumni association update form. Please fill in all these details, your name, the course you study, and if it is MPharm specialization. If not, you can give it as MA, the batch MPharm or BPharm, passed out year. The passed out year is required, then your mobile number, and present working status, the designation, and the communication address. Then if you have already registered and you know the number, your alumni member number, if you know, you can give it, or otherwise you can give it as not applicable, and any other outstanding achievements, and then your suggestions how to make this alumni more stronger, and also with regard to your any message you want to give to the college or to the juniors. And you can submit this update form. This will help us in making the alumni directory easily, as we have started in building up the alumni directory now. So I request all of you to please visit the college website. In this, you have an alumni icon. You can just click on that and you have the alumni update form. You can do it in your mobile also. You have to just fill in the Google form and submit it. I request all the members to please go through with this and submit it so that we can gather the information and we can create an alumni directory, which would also be useful for the other upcoming graduates and other postgraduates, so that they can have your information, and it would also be possible for us to communicate with regard to any other activities which are going on in the college. Then with regard to this NAAC team visit, we just have an update. What our principal sir has already informed you all. We have this NAAC accreditation, we are going into it, and we have an confirmation of Feb 22nd and 23rd, the inspection by the NAAC team. On 23rd, we have the interaction with the alumni members. So 2 or 3 days before, we will give you the correct schedule, and we would like at least some of members in Hyderabad to visit the college campus and interact with the alumni, that is with the NAAC inspection team. So I just request our principal sir to update with regard to this NAAC visit.
Yeah, 3 days before, once again we will be in contact with you, and we will finalize that whoever it is convenient, we will finalize with those people. Thank you, and any best wishes from the staff, and appreciating all of you can speak few words to them.
Yes, sir. Now I request our staff members.
All of them are remembering you.
Okay, then we shall close the meeting, and next time we will see that your timing would not, that is for those who are out of India, your timing will be taken into consideration, and we will plan it which is convenient for you all. for the next meet. Now I request our alumni member Basha to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, madam. So very good afternoon to one and all. So I Sheikh Nasib Basha. So a treasurer for the Pharma Alumni Association of G. Pullareddy College of Pharmacy, working as assistant professor in Department of Pharmaceutics of G. Pullareddy College of Pharmacy. So I'm very happy to see all the alumni members in the platform of online, the people who are there from various places, those who have joined from the various places, and very thankful to you all the alumni members for remembering all the nostalgies of the G. Pullareddy College of Pharmacy when you have studied. And from our side, all the alumni members join hands together to make it as a stronger alumni association of G. Pullareddy College of Pharmacy. Fill the update form which Prashanti madam has shown in the college website. It is already updated, and even chat box also it was mentioned, the alumni update form. Even social media also we have spread it, and please share your seniors, juniors, classmates, friends to all the members to make it as a alumni drive, and where we can make it as an alumni directory, which will be helpful to the organization at the same time to the all our individuals also. And thank you once again, and we thank all the faculty members of G. Pullareddy College of Pharmacy and teaching and non-teaching and supporting staff to make it as a success for the today's alumni meet of 2021. And next time, whenever we are conducting the alumni meet, definitely we will think of all the timings and everything. And we hope that NAC committee, the next month, February 22nd and 23rd, which is going to happen. So we request you all make it time and flexible time, and we will inform you whenever the time we are informing, make your availability here for the NAC peer review committee. And thank you once again, and stay safe, all of you. Thank you.
Yes, thank you all the alumni members. So last but not the least, I would ask you all to please update the alumni update form. It should be easy for us to do with the alumni directory. So thank you all.
Okay, bye. Bye to everybody. Thank you.
Yes, so we are ending the meeting now. Yes, thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, everyone.
Right, okay, good. So let us have one more meeting very soon.
Attendance. Jesus, sir. Yes, thank you all. I'm ending the meeting now.
Okay, ma'am.